Introduction to Machine Learning, Understanding the Basics. Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super cool topic that's taking the tech world by storm, machine learning. So, what is it and why should you care? Well, machine learning is all around us, powering everything from your favorite streaming recommendations to that app that helps you find the quickest routes in traffic. Stick around as we break down the basics in a way that's easy to understand. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment to let us know your thoughts. What is machine learning? All right, let's start with the basics. So, what exactly is machine learning? In the simplest terms, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on building systems that can learn from data instead of being explicitly programmed. Imagine teaching your computer to recognize your friend's face in photos. Pretty neat, right? Now, you might be wondering how this differs from artificial intelligence or deep learning. Well, think of AI as the big umbrella under which machine learning and deep learning fall. While machine learning allows machines to learn from data, deep learning involves more complex structures called neural networks that process information similarly to how our brains work. Fun fact: machine learning has been around for decades, but it's only recently started to gain traction because of the massive amounts of data we create daily. Types of machine learning. Now that we've got a grip on what machine learning is, let's look at the three main types of machine learning. First up, we have supervised learning. This is where you train a model on labeled data, meaning the input data comes with the correct output. Think about it like teaching a child to recognize animals. You show them pictures of cats and dogs along with their names. Next is unsupervised learning. Here, the model works with data that isn't labeled, trying to find patterns on its own, like sorting your sock drawer without knowing which pair goes with which. Last but not least, there's reinforcement learning. This type is inspired by how people and animals learn through trial and error. A perfect example is how computer programs learn to play games, failing a level until they find the winning strategy. Key concepts in machine learning. Let's get into some key concepts that you'll often hear about in machine learning. First, we've got algorithms. Think of an algorithm as a recipe. It's a set of instructions that tells the computer how to make sense of the data it's given. Some popular algorithms are decision trees, which make decisions like a flowchart, and neural networks, which mimic the way our brains work. Next up are training and testing data. To train a model, you feed it a lot of examples, that's the training data, and then check how well it learned using new examples, the testing data. It's like studying for a test. Practice makes perfect. But beware of overfitting and underfitting. Overfitting happens when the model learns the training data too well, while underfitting is when it doesn't learn enough. It's all about finding that sweet spot. Applications of machine learning. Now let's talk about where we actually see machine learning in action. It's used in so many cool ways across different industries. In healthcare, for instance, it helps predict patient outcomes or even suggest treatments. In finance, machine learning aids in credit scoring, helping banks decide who gets loans. And in retail, recommendation systems analyze your shopping habits to suggest products you might like that comfy sweater you've been eyeing. The possibilities are endless, and it's exciting to think of all the new applications that are still emerging. Challenges in machine learning. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges like data privacy, where we need to ensure personal information is protected. Then there's algorithmic bias. If the training data is biased, the model can be too, leading to unfair outcomes. Transparency is key. To wrap it all up, we've taken a journey through the basics of machine learning today. It's a fascinating field with tons of potential, and there's so much more to explore. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts down below. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you want to learn more about technology and its impact, check out my other videos linked here. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of technology. Bye.